put this in here. The one thing I forgot is a speaker. I have a portable speaker. Real nice in it.
I have one too. Petey bought me one for my birthday.
I forgot to bring it.
I got it in my shop.
I was looking at it. They have smaller ones, like
more portable, like easier to travel with.
That one I just wanted it for the shop.
Good morning, everybody. We're on the water in the classic Mako. We got the Tres Garcias on the boat. That's isn't that a tequila up in Guadalajara?
I don't know.
Tres Garcias?
Tres Garcias? I don't know.
Oh, no, Tres Mujeres. Tres Mujeres.
That was a soap opera. Gentleman there still?
No, he moved up in North Texas.
Did he sell it?
He has it for sale. He's like, I don't really want to sell it. I'll have it up there. I'm like, okay.
Kind of like, don't want to sell it. He has it for sale, but don't want to sell it.
We're going offshore, guys. We're gonna go do a meat run. Hopefully find the fish. Let me turn this thing on.
I didn't bring mine.
I got it. I got it here. I took pictures on the Grady White as well. So we're going about 20 miles offshore. About a 30-mile run one way. And we're gonna go pick up some snapper and then stop at a wreck and see what's in the wreck. See if we can find some more snapper in state waters. We got the girls with me. Coach has his grandson, PJ. We'll see who catch the biggest fish today. Oh, are they in the CCA?
No, we just gotta be there for that.
It takes 24 hours to set. So.
CCA, it's called the CCA.
So we can't catch big fish today then.
Just good size one.
Oh man, it's gonna be sad if we catch a monster snapper that'll win you like $15,000 or scholarships and stuff. I should have registered the girls. I forgot about it.
I just remembered this morning. I told Pete.
All right, guys, we'll stay tuned. Okay. Here or to a spot. Doing our first drops. Really didn't go. I think they took your bait. They're not biting yours, Pete?
They just did.
Okay.
I don't know they actually.
How far down did y'all go down?
They're like 60, 80 feet right now. Okay. We're at 120 feet of water right now, guys. Huh? You feeling sick?
Get ready to go.
Looks like you got a fish.
Yeah, I got it.
There we go. Heat's on. Reel in yours, babe. Not fighting?
No, a little bit. Oh shit. Either it's coming up or I'm off. I got something.
All right. Riley, you want to give me a candy? Just feeling a little seasick. What's our bait today? What is this called?
Candy.
A candy? What type of candy? A watermelon. Let's see. You ready? You ready?
I got something. Something small.
Here.
I just lost a line.
Everything? Oh wow. Use one of mine.
A little one.
Little one. Right there, Pete. Coach, you give me a D-hooker?
What was that?
PJ, give me those pliers right there.
Here you go.
No, just leave them right there on the water.
Yeah,
Only unless it's a good fish, we'll put them on.
Oh, I got you.
We're still on the fish here. Take a nap. Just close your eyes, take a nap. If you're feeling sick.
So once
Any bites, Jordy? Nibbles?
Do you have leader material?
Oh,
I brought some.
yeah, I do. It's in that white
I
bucket.
got it right here.
Oh, you had a fish, Jordy?
I lost it. Hey, ready? They actually
Was that a
went
keeper,
for
Petey?
it.
No.
I knew it was kind of small. It started swimming upwards too, and I was like, wasn't putting much of a
Really
fight.
didn't, Jordy. We had a bite on the watermelon. We'll put this down and fish.
Now we know.
Got a little double hook up here. Keep reeling. They come up
Keep
sometimes.
on bringing it up.
Oh no, you still got it. They come up on you.
You're still going down, babe? Stopping there. You're getting a bite already, aren't you?
Keep it up. There you go.
Oh, there you're getting a bite, right? Wait.
You see color yet? No.
Wait. You have a circle hook, so it'll help you with setting that hook.
Where are you putting them?
You want to keep down?
That's a good one.
It's tiny for out here. Pick it up, pick it up. There you go. Don't let it touch the boat. It's almost up. Or, yeah, I see the color. I see color. Keep going. Good job. One more turn. There you go. Okay, I think we're gonna let this one go.
Yeah, it's small.
Let's find a big one. Still have it?
Yeah.
Just real. You're not gonna have leverage. Give me one peek.
Take this one. Yeah, take that.
Wait, you're gonna pop it with the boat. You gotta get it away from the boat. You gotta lean forward.
You can pop it with the boat.
Throw it about 30, 40 feet.
Was it free line or what?
Careful by that. Careful the way you...
Small. It's not one of
Some what? Water? Yeah.
doesn't want to reel.
He's already tired.
Can you see it?
Where? On your hand? Watch your head.
Oh, damn. Holy moly. You want to get the thing? Holy shit, about look at that. Oh, look at that one.
Look, right? You see that thing?
Picture 1, 2.
Sweet.
Good.
That's what we're after. Oh, it's growing. It's taking all the line out. Just
Hold on
point it.
to
Just
her.
point it to us. You see this, Rebecca? No. You got it. I think you still got it. Let me do something real quick. There you go. Are you gonna be PJ.
No, she's still fishing. PJ is ready to peter out. Oh shit.
Almost.
Oh. Hey Jordy.
You okay, Jordan?
Hello.
I see the color of the fish, Riley.
Oh my.
Okay, take your time with it. Oh, you already have it there?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Okay, yours, Riley. You
Okay.
see it? You see the color?
Hey, you see mine? Oh, you got hers?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. All right, here comes. Don't want to come. It's a big one. Oh my goodness, PJ, you just been knocked out
Right there, ready?
by a young little girl. No, I don't think so.
No,
Ah, shit, it went out.
no, it's still recording. Yeah.
Are you sure it's recording?
Good fish, right, Riley?
Hey, there you go.
I'll get it here. We're done, fellas.
Mine's still in there.
Okay. What's up, Eddie's?
We'll get some smaller fish.
Good job. High five. Good job, babe.
Good job, huh?
Oh yeah, we were calling, or we were being very selective. All right, guys. So it's the fish about an hour or so.
2 hours.
No, we got here about 8:15. It's 9:30. Hour and 15 minutes. And we still had to find it. So
Find it right away. I wonder if Frank found them.
yeah, I'm sure he did. We're gonna go into state waters now, guys, and fish about 70 foot of water. I'm just having an issue on a sensor. This Mercury Verado is going from 0 trim and saying to 17. So I think that's when it shuts it off because it freaks out and it thinks it's out of the water. And it protects
Just
itself.
warns you.
Yeah.
Warning.
All right, guys. So I'll see you at the wreck right now. Okay, state water, fishing a wreck, started chumming up. Something came up and took the bait. Oh, it's a nice mangrove, big old mangrove, biggest fish of the day. Watch out, Coach. Give me your ride, Coach.
I'm in a pocket. Look, PJ.
Watch out.
Okay.
Yeah, you got that over there. So yeah, you want to see what I'm doing, guys? Just got some old bait. Just feeding fish. Snapper came up to the boat already. Tore it all up. A little messy, but gets this fish up here. Let me see it real quick. Look at that, guys. Big old mangrove. There's another one out there. I see two. There's two of them. There's two of them back there. No, you're good there where you're at. There's two mangroves out, Coach. Two more. ready, right? Yep, you're gonna need to help to come. Oh. Help her, right? Ready? Give me a snapper. Hey. I don't know. Right there. Stop reeling. Stop reeling. That'll keep it. I don't know. Just wait till you get a big one. Oh, look, the big one. Here. See the fish right there? What? What, Jordan? Hey guys, so we have what, 3 more snapper to our limit. I think all the keepers have been caught. 3 line. Trying to get them to come up. You just got to keep feeding them, so you need a lot of bait. Fish a little bit more, about 30 minutes more, and then call it a day. Right now it's 11 o'clock. So let's see how we do. All right, guys, so we stayed the same. We added a few fish. Really nice mangrove snapper down there. But yeah, beautiful day out here. 2 to 3 foot seas. Very nice. You can run as fast or as slow as you want.
Take a picture of the Garcias over here on the video.
The annual summer run, Los Tres Garcias. We're missing the girls.
It's all right.
Okay, that's better. Yeah, nice fish. They're all really good eating fish right there. Hey guys, we made it to the port already. Gotta get these ladies back home. Jordan's fine. She's finally growing out of it, I think. She fished a lot and then slept a little but fished a lot.
I think that was just tired. She was tired.
And
Waking up early.
Riley's, I think, feeling the sickness. But I'll get her in the car and she'll probably wake up right now and play on our computer. But hey guys, we made it back. Safe and sound in one piece. Little issues here on the boat. I think I need to do some cleaning on the electrical connections. What I did out there was I just disconnected them and put them in, but just had the power off, so I don't know if that made a difference. But it worked.
You can take your patch off, mate. You can take your patch off.
Guys, next time.